This is the second part of the iPhone 6 Plus repair. To repair the battery, we first need to open up the phone. You can now remove the screen from the phone by unclipping 4 ribbon cables at the top of the phone. Remove the adhesive strips holding the battery in place to the iPhone. Be careful not to puncture the battery. I like to place 2 layers of normal double-sided adhesive tape on the back of the phone . We can now place the new battery into the iPhone. Once I've reclipped the ribbon cable, I can now replace the battery shield. You now reattach the screen to the phone. Put the screen back into the iPhone body and then you're done.